Class now, so you can start. Hello, Woyemi. Can
I'm
you
with
hear me?
you.
Okay, you can start. You can start.
During our last class, we discussed about case in SQL, and when we talk about case statement in SQL, we use it to implement conditional statements similar to if else, just like we discussed. If else, if this condition is met, then do this. But in this scenario, we are using when and then. When so condition, then it should result an answer, which we did an example of retire retired. We use when age is greater or equals to 40, then they should retire. That shows when whosoever that is clock 40, they should retire. Age greater than 30, then about to retire. And age greater than 20, active in service. S, that shows the rest in that service. I want to see the result of our last class. I think the other one, okay. Then S, still very active in service. That shows anybody that is lesser than 20, they are still very active in service. And the result was shown because we have gift that the age is true, and the result come out fine and good. And that is the essence of we using the when and then. We use it for when you want to increase for promotions and all that. In SQL, you just want to look into workers that they are above this age. You want to promote them, or you want to give them you want to add to their salary or something. We use it to compare and give the necessary action. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your brief explanation. It's nice to hear from you. So now today I want to introduce us to uh, something we called the join statement. Now, what comes to your mind when you hear the word join? Oyemi, hello. What comes to your
Join.
mind when you hear? Yes.
Okay. When you say join, is a combination of two things. That's normal English. So when we use join, is a combination of rows from two or more tables that are
Okay, good.
related.
Yeah, that are what's related. Now, in SQL, we can use what the join statement to join two tables from what same what database, from what same database. Now, in join, we have different type of join in SQL. Join is a clause and is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column. Based on what? A related column. Den if they are not related, you cannot what? Join them. For example, we have dis table which is called the actor table. Now look at the actor table. Now let's see another table from, let's say, address. Let's see the table from address. So let's see. Uh, now look at the table for from address. Now you see Now we can add them because they have what the same ID. They have what same ID. Now look at this ID. The ID is number, and when you check the other actor, you still have what ID because they are related. So using related column can help you a lot. Can help you a lot to what to join your table together. So in SQL we have different type of what we have different type of joining. We have what different type of what joining. Now first of all, uh we are going to see how we can what make an example. Then before I will, okay, let me just explain the different type of join. Now in SQL we have a types of join that is being supported by what SQL. Now in SQL we have what the inner join, the inner join. Now the inner join return record that have matching values in both table, that had what matching value in both table. The left join, the left join return all record from the left table, from the left table and the matching row from the right table. So we have what we call the right table, the right join. The right join return all record from the right what table, then matches it with what the left table. So we are going to see uh another one which we called the cross join. Now the cross join in SQL return all record from what both table, return all record from what both table. Now let me just browse on Google and show you what I'm trying to explain, and you see it. So now I'm going to search on Google, then I will share my screen. Okay, SQL what join. Now let's say SQL join. We have what the different type of join. We have the left join, inner join, right join, and what cross join. So I'm going to share my screen now and show you some of these example which I just explained, and using their pictures you will be able to what understand it very well. You'll be able to what understand it very well. So now let me share my screen now. Okay. uh so I believe you can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this picture very well. What did you observe? You see, we have what join, and we have this one is different type. This one is what the left join, right? The left
Yes.
join. We have what the table A and what table B.
Mhm.
Then we join it using what table A and table B. Now automatically B or automatically join A. Now look at this other join. We have the inner join. This inner join also join it from the inner. You see, you see A and B. You see they are intersected. It join it through the what the intersect. So the other one is what the right join. The intersect, the A is being joined through the intersect. So now you see from the what the right side, not what the left side. So that is all I have to show you with join, and I want you to what also practice and look more on this diagram. Focus on it. Focus on what the diagram and see what I'm talking about, okay? And learn what I'm talking about. So let's move on to examples on SQL. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen and share to my SQL workbench. Okay, I'll stop sharing. So, yeah, you're welcome. You have not been regular in class. I don't really know why. I don't know. You have started again. It's not how you attend classes now. You are not regular, and you are not even doing the assignment.
No, I did. Just that this period I'm not around. That is why I'm not around. So I
Okay.
traveled. I'm not with my laptop.
So you have to be active, please. You have to be
No
active.
problem.
You cannot
All
just
right.
pay for a training and then you are not active. At the end of it, when I bring out projects, you will not be able to work on it. So it's this
All
training
right.
require what your regular attendance. So please, now I will start sharing my screen, and I'm going to share my screen to my workbench. So I'm trying to share it so that we start few examples. So we are going to look at on what few examples. Ah, I don't know why I'm not sharing my screen again. Wow, I'm finding it difficult to share my screen now. So let me just stop and log in again. Or I don't know why it's not sharing. Maybe it's network. So let me stop sharing. Now, so we are going to. I'm going to share my screen to Workbench. So now, I don't know if you can see my Workbench.
Not
Can you
yet.
see it? Okay. Can you see it now?
Not yet.
It's popping
Yes.
up.
Yes. It's up.
You can see. Okay, son. Now let's see how we can what join our inner. Let's see an example for the inner. Now how we can what join the inner. So we are going to join the inner with the actor and what the address. So we are going to use the actor and the address. Where are we using it? Now let's see how we can make use of this table. So we are going to select all from the column. We are going to select all from the column name, which is select. Uh, okay, we are going to select from actor. Okay, we are going to actor. Select actor. Okay, we are going to select actor from what? From table one. From table one. What is our table one? Oh, sorry, actor ID. We are going to select actor ID. Yeah, actor ID. We are going to select what? Actor ID. Now, actor ID from what? Table 1. From what? Table 1. What's our table 1? Actor, right? Our table 1 is actor, right?
Yes.
Now, we are going to join it what? Using what? The inner join. Inner what? Join. So, inner join, we are going to join it with another table which we are going to use the address. This is the address table. So we are going to use what? The address table. Now we are going to join it with what? Address. Now inside the address, we have what? Address ID, right? Did you see it?
Yes.
Yeah, on what? On table one. So we are going to use table one. What is our table one? Actor dot, then our column ID, which we are going to use this. So then we are going to assign it equal to what? Table two, which is what? Address dot actor what? ID, address ID. So we are going to use address ID, copy. So we have what? Address ID. Now we are going to what? End it with what? Our semicolon. So let's run it and see if it will produce our results for us. Good. Did you see how we join it? Uh, I don't know if you can see how we joined it. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
So what do you understand by what we just did? What do you understand? Do you really understand what I did?
We are joining the. We are using the inner join. We are using the
Okay.
inner join and taking the actor ID from table one to address ID.
Now automatically now it will add everything together in what actor ID. So it will take everything from what? The address, and add it to what? The actor address, actor ID. So that is the way you can what? Use the inner joining. The inner what? Joining. So we are going to look at on what? The left join. Now the left join is also similar to what we are doing, just for you to change the name. Left join. So let's use the word left join. So left join, we are going to choose. So we are still going to use that same procedure, but we are going to use what? The left join. So let's see the left join. Now the left join, you see there is not really they are almost similar, but I want you to know that I want you to know that everything we just did, hmm, everything we just did like they are just joining. So okay, now let's see something. Let's select all from actor and see. So did you see how we join it here? Now you see we are supposed to join this table. Did you see how we join this table together?
Yes.
I don't know if you understand. The table
Yes. Yes.
was one.
Yes. Was separated, and now we
Was
have
set.
them together.
Yes. Now automatically we join them using the what? The ID and what? The actor. Automatically now they are one data. You can export it as what? One data. I don't know if you understand now. So
Yes.
since we have joined them, we can remove the address. So when we want to work further with this complete data, we can just remove the what? Address ID and make use of what? The actor ID. Automatically they can just be one data. Hello, are you confused or should I
It,
explain further?
it is clear.
Kemi,
Please
are
explain.
you understand Kemi? Okay,
Sorry for joining late. Yeah, I'm following.
but do you understand? Do you really know what you are doing?
No, no, no. I'll get it
Okay,
out.
okay. Now let me explain again. Okay, so I will explain from the what? The beginning. Okay, I will explain for the beginning. Now, let me just show us our data. So let me just explain again. So this is our actor ID. This is our actor ID. Look at it on our data set in our Skilla. In our Skilla what database, we have what actor ID. Now this is the original data set. This is what the original data set. Now this is another table. Now let's see the address table. The address table. Now let's see the address table. Now this is the address table. Now for us to combine everything together, for us to combine the actor table and what the address table together, we are going to make use of different join. Different join. Now what is join in SQL? We have to know what is join in what SQL. Now we said that join is combination of what? Two rows, from from multiple tables or two tables based on what their related columns. Based on what their related columns. So I will explain again. A join clause is used to what? Combine rows from two or more tables based on related column between them. So now we are going to see examples. Now what are the examples of what uh join? We have several examples and we have the types of what join in SQL. SQL what support inner join, left join, right join, and crosses join. So I want you to go back to the video. You will see the picture on where we go to where we search on Google and we brought out the picture. So in case you did not understand about the right join on the left join, follow the video again and see how we displayed it and how they look like. So normally SQL supports what the some types of what join, which is what the inner join, left join, and the right join. So we are going to see how we can join these two tables together. So using the inner, so let's use inner. Now we are going to select all from what actor. We are going to what select all from actor using what inner. Now using the inner, the first time I just selected one column, but now I'm selecting all. I'm selecting all from actors table. From actors table, then inner join address. Now in address we have what address ID. So we are going to join it with address actor ID and what address ID. Now we join it with what address. Now the address is what the table. We are we are selecting off from actors table, then inner join with what address. Then on actor.id, which is the column we want to join together. So we are going to join the actor ID with the address ID. Now let's see our result. Now did you see how we join it? Now automatically then they are one data set now. They are one data set now. So you can so you can work on this data set by removing the address ID. Then we can make use of what the inner instead of making use of the address ID, because it will not be necessary again, because we already have what the actor ID, which will be represented as the ID or the address ID. So this is what we have done using what the inner join. I believe you understand. Do you guys understand?
Yes, yes.
Now let's see the left join. So the left join is almost similar to what I just did. So let's see the left join. Now You see the left join, you see that there is no changes. Do you understand? There is no change. Do you understand?
Yes.
So the it depends on the data you are using to what make use of make use of. So now, for example, you see, I'm using the inner join. Now, the left, this column I just joined, I join it from the, let's say from the okay, the left hand. I'm using it to join from the left hand. Now, for example, I'm using the right join. Now I'm going to pick from the last. This is the first. In every data, the ID comes from the what? The left side, right? From the left side. Now, depending on the place where the column is, when you pick from the left, so you have to make use of what? The left join. When you pick from the right join, you have to what? Make use of what? The right join. Do you understand, or should I explain more further again for you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay. Oyemi, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, since everybody is clear and nobody is finding it difficult to understand, so we are going to move further. Now, we are going to see how we can what make use of the what? The right join. Now, the right join, I don't I don't really know if I have data I can make use of, like from the right side. So I want you to also practice on it. So let's see if there will be a changes from here. Let's say right join. Now right join. Let's say right join. Okay, right join. Still, if you can see, there's no changes. There's no changes. So I want you to practice, make use. Just remember, just take note that there are different type of joining. There are different what type of join, the cross join. Play with it, eh? I want you to play with it and see it yourself. Okay? See it yourself. It just the okay, this joining is just like your sect. When you have your subset, universal sets, like that. They are just uh mostly related with sect. So now we are going to look at on what? The union operator. Union operator. So SQL join allow you to what? Combine two data set by side. But union allow you to work stack it. They allow you to stack your data on, let's say on the top. On, I don't know if you understand. Now when you are joining from side by side, right? You join from side by side. Now in union you stack on top. It's just like uh you want the address to be on top of what? The actor data. So it's just like you stack on top of what? Another data. So uh normally union allow you to what? Write two separate what? Select. Two separate what? Select statements to have the result of one statement displayed in the same table. So now we are going to see example of what I'm talking about. So we are going to select a column. We are going to select a column from a table, then union, then we select another column from a table. So let's see the union. Let's see the difference between join and what? Union. So let's see the difference between what? Join and union. So we are going to select from, okay, select from actor. Okay. Now we are going to use what? Union. Okay, union. Okay, now we have our select union. Now let's select from the other table. We are going to select from the other table. Uh, let's say address. We are going to select from address union. So we are making use of what union. So good. Now look at it. So we are making use of two select statement. Two what select statement. So let me just arrange it so that you will not be confused. Two what select statement. So we are selecting all from what actor in union, then select all from what address. So let's see what will be our outcome. Let's see what will be our outcome. I don't know if we have an error. Let's see. Okay, we have what an error. So it said that the use select statement have a different number of columns. You see, they must be what same what columns. They must be what same columns. So whenever you are stacking, always observe your columns. Always what observe what your columns. So let's select all from address. Let's select all from address. So okay, now instead of us searching for different columns now, so you know the address have different columns. Please the address have what different columns. Now we want to choose one column. We just want to choose one column from each what table. So I'm going to use the actor ID and paste it here, and we are going to use the address ID, then and paste it here. So let's see the union. Now did you see it has already stacked it together? Automatically it will add everything together. It will add it. Some will be on top. You see, some will be on top. It will just like join it. So some parts will be on top, and the other from what will be under uh the data. So that is how the stack the union is all about. So I don't know if you understand. Should I proceed? Do you really understand?
Please, you can come again. What you explain now?
Okay, now in union, please listen. In union, when we join them, we are joining them from side by side. We can join side by side. You understand? Now, what if we don't want to join side by side? We want the first data to be on top and the other data to be under. That is when the union comes in. So, do you understand this explanation I just explained?
Yes.
So, what do you understand by what I explained?
You are talking about union, and you want it to be one after the other. We don't like want it to be side by side. We want the first one to come first and the second one to follow.
Yes, good. I believe you understand. Now, I wanted to use the actor table, everything in the actor table. I find out that the columns, they are not the same columns. For me to stack it on the other data, you understand? So I just use one column. So let me just search for data that have same columns. Okay, let me just search for data that have same column. So let me search. Okay, don't just bother. So we are going to practice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me search for this. Let's say category. Let me search for category. If I have data like that has 4 columns, 4 columns. Let me search. No, this one is theory. Let me search for city. Okay, good. Now we are going to what? make use of city. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We are going to make use of city. Now, let's stack. We are going to select all from what? From seat, from actor and what? City. So we are going to select all. We are going to select all from what? Actor and city. So let's see. So you see, because they have the same column, they they stack together. Did you see that the error was not there?
Yes, sir.
So now let's see which one is on top and which one is under. Look at this actor table. Look at it very well. Now, have you seen that we have moved into another table?
Yes.
Did you did
Yes.
you see it?
201. Yes.
So they have stacked, but they have same date and time. You understand? But they have been stacked under. This one is
Mm.
starting from one under. So it's like we are stacking everything on top. So on top each other. So I believe you understand it.
Yes, sir.
Kemi, do you understand?
Yes.
So, uh, Ian, you understand it? Yeah. Hello, Ian. Do you understand? Uh, are you sure this guy is
Yes,
still on?
yes, 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 yes.
Please, I want you to do me some favor. You have to go back to our YouTube video for the one you have missed. You have to rewatch. So, how many class have you missed so far? How many times have you not been attending?
Two class.
Two class. So you have to watch the two recorded video. Okay, you have to watch the two recorded video. On our next class
Alright,
on Friday, you give me feedback, please.
alright.
So assignment, Owoyemi.
I'm with you, sir.
So let me to jot down the assignment. Assignment one. Look on how you can make use of the union or union or. You guys should look on how you can make use of what the union or research on what union or research on what union or. Okay, research on union or. So now we are going to move on in operator. um the in operator. Now in operator, in operator is mostly used for search. In Python, you see, we make use of in when we talk about comprehension. You see, we deal on comprehension in Python, right, Owoyemi?
Yes.
So in SQL, there's something we call the in operator. The in operator allow you to search, to specify what multiple column. You look for values in a column. You make use of your search. It will be easy for you to find a particular data in your union. So on our next class next week, we will look at on what union. I believe today class was awesome and you were able to fully understand what we have learned so far.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kemi. Hello, Kemi. Hello, Kemi.
Yes, I'm here. I'm
Okay.
here. I'm trying
So
something.
I thought you have left us. So
Oh, I'm here. I'm here.
so you said you want to learn the Excel. So I want you to join the group. Just request so that I can add you to the Excel group. Okay.
Okay. All right.
So, good night, everyone, and
And
have a
before
great day
before we
ahead.
leave, please, I think I lost some data on my the class, the first one that we did last week. I lost some data, so I don't know how to get them back.
What? How did you lose the data?
I don't. When I connected to my database now, I can't find one we did last week on it.
Let me see. Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Did you use something like drop? Did you drop your
No, no,
data?
no, no. I didn't. I didn't. I just want to load so I can continue from there today. But I noticed that it was not. It didn't get to that page we did last week. Let me see.
Okay, if you did not get it, if I search on it and we did not get it, so I have to what save my SQL. This is our SQL class we have been doing. I will save it for you.
Okay.
Then I will share it for you, okay?
Okay.
So that you can just open on your workbench.
SQL.
You can
All
start.
right.
Do you understand?
All right. So
Okay. Let's see.
okay. This one for today. Now I have to just open another query
Okay, you open another query.
for
So
this one for
let's
today.
see your file. Let's see your file.
Okay. This sorry. Recent.
File. No, not this side. File. Go to file. Let's see your recent. Let's see recent. Your file is not opening.
This is the from the one.
From
So
the
this is
one.
where it stops. I could not find the others.
Okay, go to file. File. Go to file.
This file on my where I save my data. Do you
Yes.
mean
Oh,
this? Do you
I'm not
mean
even
this?
seeing. No, I did not see it.
Which one? Is it the one on SQL bench or my computer file?
Look, I know it's on your workbench now. The file edit. You see where you see file edit. Uh-huh.
This file here. Can you see it?
Okay. I cannot see it. So I guess you have to share your full screen so that
Okay.
I can be able to.
Okay, let me stop sharing again. Sorry for taking your time.
No problem. We are here to learn. I'm even happy we are working together. So we are here to
Okay,
learn. So
so
if you have issue, I'm here to solve it.
okay, can you see it now?
Yes, I can see it. I can see it. Now go to the file. Let's see something.
Recent.
Yeah, recent. Let's see practice.
Which
Go
one?
to practice. Go to
This
that your recent again.
okay.
There's something like practice, recent, practice, Kemi Pratica.
It's not the one. I'm not sure.
It's not the one. Okay, now go to on top. You see on top here. On top where you see the house, you see different tabs. Click
Okay.
on that second tab.
You see, look at where it stops.
Click
It's
on
not
the other tabs.
same thing. Same thing.
Same
Oh my God.
thing. Okay, move to the next.
Hmm.
Okay, sorry, Kemi.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
So I will share you my file now,
All right.
but I want you to know that when you are carrying out a research or a practical, I want you to always save, okay? It's just that you did not save and
Okay,
yeah,
do
you
I
did
get
not
to
save
save
your
you?
script.
Oh,
You have to save your script. Did you see a column where you save scripts? Look
I
at
am
it, save
save
script.
scripts. Okay.
Now, when you are working, always save, okay, so that in case your work close, you can have a
And
copy,
there's no way
okay.
I can
So I will
retrieve
share.
it.
There's nowhere because you did not save it. So I want to share my own now, okay.
Okay, okay, all right.
So I'll okay. I will share it. You will check on group chats, okay.
All right. I
Let's say
really
place to
appreciate
work.
it.
So I want to share it now. Hold on, I want to share it that now so that you can transfer it to your system and see how you are going to. I will see how you going to open it. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so that you will not have issues with opening it. Okay, see.
Hmm. I
Um,
will drop it.
so I'm coming. I'm coming. The live
Awesome.
streaming.